no indicator. Mirrored cap.
I like this mirrored cap.
There's Xander.
And there's Michael.
You want to push the button?
Yeah.
Hold.
Reach to the top floor. Okay, let's see. Go to 1.
Oh.
Come on.
There we go.
It is so dark in here. That light's flickering.
Old Atlas fixtures. There's no permanent.
Yeah. Should we take it for another ride?
Let's see if we can reverse it.
Whoa, I felt the door jerk.
Nah.
This is a nice cab. But you can like only see it when the door's open.
Yeah.
My eyes are dilated. I can't see anything. Yeah, clicking. It sounds like there should be like an indicator or something. Alright, you want to send it down?
Sure.
See if it feels. Is it not?
This thing is neat.
This is really cool.
Anyways, here we are.
Jeez.
Look at that old call station. Awesome. That's it.